But today, I need to talk about something serious. Not about strategy, not about chart patterns, not about indicators. I want to warn you about something that happens outside the charts. Something that can quietly damage your performance without you even realizing it. And that is telling people that you day trade. I know when you're excited about trading, it feels natural to tell your friends, your family members, your coworkers. It seems harmless, right? But please be careful, because this one simple decision can slowly mess with your focus, your confidence, your emotions, and eventually your results. If you've ever wondered why many professional traders stay quiet about what they do, there is a reason, and it's not by accident. When you're new to trading, you're pumped. You've discovered this exciting new world, and you want to share it. So you say, hey, I started trading. Or you casually mention it at work, and then it begins. How much did you make today? When are you buying a Lambo? Isn't that just gambling? Some people are curious, some are skeptical, some just don't understand. But what most traders don't realize is that once you tell people, your trading journey is no longer private. Now every losing day is not just between you and the charts. You start imagining what people might think about you. You feel judged, even if no one says anything. And every winning day, now you feel pressure to keep winning. Because you created expectations. Trading is already a psychological game. Adding other people's doubts, jokes, and unrealistic expectations on top of that is like trading while carrying heavy bricks on your back. It slows you down, it drains you. This is how many traders unknowingly create extra pressure they never needed. When I started trading seriously, I made this exact mistake. I told my friends, my family, basically anyone who asked what I was doing. At first it felt good. I was proud to say, yes, I'm a full-time trader. But then reality hit. Every day, so how much did you make today? Every month, how much did you make last month? And sometimes, are you sure this is a real job? At first I laughed, but slowly, those comments stayed in my mind. When I had a losing day, I didn't just feel the loss. I felt embarrassed. When I had a winning day, I didn't just feel happy. I felt pressure to maintain an image. I started forcing trades, over-trading, explaining myself, making decisions not based on my system, but based on what I imagined others would say. None of this had anything to do with the market. It was self-inflicted pressure. In Japan, we say, the mouth is the source of disaster. Sometimes speaking too much invites trouble. And in trading, that saying is very real. Eventually, I realized this wasn't sustainable. I didn't need to defend my trading. I needed to protect it. So here's what I learned. I'll rank them from number 3 to number 1 based on impact. Number 3, silence protects your focus. If you're still learning, testing strategies, building confidence, you don't owe anyone an explanation. Silence allows you to build consistency without distractions. I wish I had stayed quiet earlier. It would have saved me a lot of stress. Number 2, build a small trusted circle. This doesn't mean isolate yourself forever, but instead of telling everyone, find a small group who truly understands trading, people who understand drawdowns, discipline, psychology. When you share with people who get it, you receive support instead of judgment. Number 1, protect your edge. Your edge is your mindset, your strategy, your discipline. The more you explain it to people who don't understand, the more energy you waste. When I stopped talking about my trading to random people, my focus increased. I was no longer distracted by opinions. I was just trading. And that changed everything. Let me leave you with a few quick precautions. Journal privately. Track your progress for yourself, not for validation. Share only with people who understand. Quality over quantity. And remember, silence equals focus. The less you explain, the more energy you have for the charts. So if you're constantly announcing that you're a day trader, understand this. You may be adding invisible pressure to your journey. Protect your focus. Keep things private while you're building. Surround yourself with the right people, and let your results speak. It's simple, but it's powerful. If this warning helped you see why silence matters in trading, make sure to like and subscribe for more real talks like this. Not hype, but practical truth. And I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever told people you trade and later regretted it? Your story might save someone else from making the same mistake. Remember, protecting your mind is what separates consistent traders from those who burn out. Stay healthy, stay safe, and stay disciplined. See you in the next one.